ramp mode, we can program an infusion with an ascending ramp, a plateau, and a descending ramp. We confirm, then we select adult patient, confirm again. First, we'll insert the volume to be infused, which will be 60 ml, the same volume of the syringe installed. Confirm. Infusion time will be 3 hours. Confirm. Ramp up 5 minutes and confirm. Ramp down 20 minutes and confirm. The plateau is automatically calculated based on the inserted data, and if we change it, the total time will be automatically recalculated. The KVO is optional. We press next key. We need to select the type of therapy. Let's use parenteral and confirm. A message will be displayed indicating the direction of the infusion and suggesting the correct installation of the syringe. On the infusion screen, we can see the plateau flow rate in milliliters per hour, the total volume to be infused, and the infusion time. To start the infusion, press the green and red button or the green key. The infusion is divided into 3 stages: the ramp up, the plateau, and the ramp down. We see the current stage of the infusion graphically, which now is the ramp up. The infusion begins in the ramp up with a variable flow until reaching the plateau flow rate. Each programming mode has its specific MF. Here we can adjust titration to change the plateau flow rate. Let's skip it. The ramp adjust can only be used when the infusion is paused.